In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Windows 11. First, launch Outlook on your Windows 11 device. You can find the Outlook application in your Start menu or on your taskbar if you have it pinned there. As the application opens, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface where you can manage your emails, calendars, and more. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for syncing your Google Calendar. Once Outlook is open, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Next, click the gear icon, which represents settings located in the bottom left corner of the app window. This icon is typically easy to spot and provides access to all the customizable options within Outlook. When you click on it, a settings menu will appear on the right side of the screen. This menu will allow you to manage your accounts and adjust other preferences. Taking this step is essential because it leads you to the account management section, where you will add your Google Calendar. From there, click on Manage Accounts from the right-hand settings pane, then click Add Account. This action opens up options for adding various types of accounts. At this point, it is important to ensure you follow this step carefully, as it will allow you to integrate your Google Calendar into your Outlook calendar seamlessly. Once you click Add Account, you'll be one step closer to syncing your calendars. Now select Google from the list of available account providers. This step is significant because it specifies that you want to link your Google account, allowing Outlook to access your Google Calendar. You will see Google listed alongside other providers like Exchange and iCloud. Choosing Google ensures that your events and appointments will sync correctly. After making your selection, you can proceed to the next step. A secure browser window will pop up. Enter your Gmail address and password. This window is designed to keep your login details safe and secure. By entering your credentials here, you are granting Outlook access to your Google Calendar. It's vital to ensure you enter the correct information to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your Gmail address and password, you can move forward knowing that your account is secure. Next, click Allow to give Windows permission to access your Google Calendar data. This action is crucial as it permits Outlook to sync your calendar events. After clicking Allow, you may notice a message confirming this permission. This confirmation is reassuring as it indicates that the integration process is proceeding smoothly. After that, type in the name you want displayed, for example, Google, and click Sign In. Choosing a display name helps you easily identify your Google Calendar among other calendars you might have. This little detail can save you time later when managing multiple calendars. Once you click Sign In, you'll see the next screen load confirming your identity and settings. Finally, click Done. Your Google Calendar events will automatically start populating your Windows calendar. This step completes the syncing process, and you should see your events appear shortly. It's satisfying to see all your appointments in one place, ensuring you never miss a meeting or event again. With everything set up, you're ready to manage your time effectively using your newly synced calendars. You have successfully synced your Google Calendar with Windows 11. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency this integration brings to your scheduling needs.